Hello, we're Team 22 Unit Visit, and our project is Connect UBC. The purpose of our app is to help UBC students find their own people through similar interests, hobby, and courses.
Hi, my name is Parsh and I worked on the user profile page, specifically connecting the front end with the back end. So as you can see now, we have these API calls for fetching all the user profile information, and that's used to then populate all the front end right here. But I can go ahead and change anything I like. So I can change the profile picture, any of the basic information. I can change my interest, residence, and we added this feature to now upload your courses from Workday directly instead of having to manually fill them in. So I can go ahead and add this, and if there are any errors, then I can also manually add in any courses I like. We also added this feature to compare calendars with other users, so you can now see what the common courses are and what the common sections are. We can also select our availability for meetings and study sessions. So when we connect with people, it lets us know the common times that work for both of us when we want to meet. So I can go ahead and save this, and it updates the profile. That's pretty much it.
Hello, my name is Nazif. I'll be going over the new changes we made since last time. So now we have hooked our application to the backend, and we also added Redux to the post that also calls the API endpoints. So for example, right now when I'm viewing the posts page, it makes a network request from the database to fetch all the posts that's relevant to me, and also it updates my state using Redux. Similarly, if I create a new post, I can come here and I can create a new post saying, hello, want to connect with you, and I can also add a course, and maybe like I need a study partner, and then I make a post. And then I can also see this coming in my post as well. I can also delete these, and if you see the network tab, you would be able to see I'm making these network requests to my backend, and then it's going to dispatch the actions and the tongues to update my states as well.
Hi, my name is Ellie, and I'm mostly working on the event page. So on the event page, you can create an event by clicking on the button, and you can input the date, time, event description, as well as an image for promoting the event. And once you created an event, the event will show on this page right now, and then other user can also see it. Also on every single event, there's a button for you to post a post related to this event so that you can find partners to come to the event together. And once you created an event, you can see it at the My Post tab, and you can also see it in the post page where everybody has the feed. And if you feel like you want to delete the post, you could also navigate to the My Post tab and then click on the delete button. Once you go back to the main page, you can see that your post has been deleted. So all the data in the event page is handled using Redux, and then backend is connected by to the MongoDB. As we can see, the event is not only display over here, but also in the home page in the upcoming event.
Hello, my name is Khan, and I'll be talking about the connections and the notifications changes we made this milestone. First, we've added the Redux for notifications, and we have a preview here. And once we go to the notifications, we can see that we have 8 notifications that we have not read. And we can look into notification detail and close it. And now this will be marked as read, and the number will decrease. We can also filter by unread and read notifications. In our connections, we've added the accepted requests part. So once we accept the request, we will be able to see the contact information of the person who sent us the request. And we can also cancel our outgoing request as well as canceling a connection that was already established. In the future, we're trying to add a related ID. So this will be a link that will take us to either a post or a connection that caused notification to be sent in the first place. We have also configured our database so that any changes to our requested notifications are saved. So if I accept and refresh our page, we will see that the accepted requests stay and the status of our notifications. So and when we refresh, that will also be saved.
In the future, we plan to add a calendar matching system for users to see overlapping free time between their connections, as well as a page for finding recreational partner or campus event partner, and also implement more advanced post recommendation system to provide better user experience.